I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a Google account. Now start building. First, pick the Google product that fits your goal. Sites for quick pages, Blogger for posts, or Cloud/apps for a full site. Once chosen, secure a domain or plan to use a Google subdomain. Domains improve credibility and SEO. Make sure billing and two-step verification are enabled if you'll use paid services. Click Create, name your site, and set visibility, public or restricted, so your first draft is live and addressable. Once your site skeleton exists, design with purpose. Choose a template and modify header, footer, and section blocks to match hierarchy. You should add core pages, home, about, contact, and arrange navigation so users find content in 2 clicks. Import images at optimized sizes and set readable fonts. Configure mobile view to ensure responsiveness. Then connect Google Analytics and set SEO titles and meta descriptions so search engines can index your pages. This helps traffic and measures performance as you iterate. You're ready to publish. Preview on desktop and mobile, test every link and form, and run a speed check before you push live. Publish, then map your purchased domain and verify ownership in Google Search Console. Submit a sitemap to index faster. If something breaks, clear browser cache and wait for DNS propagation, usually a few hours but up to 48. Make sure console shows no critical errors. Check SSL, mixed content warnings, and any blocked resources, and then republish fixes immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.